Hello guys, we want to talk today about the cocoyam, yam and potato pounder. You can use it to pound your cocoyam for your achu. No need to be pounding your mortar and pestle. You can use this our wonderful product to pound your yams, your cocoyam to make your achu or your pounded yam and egusi soup or bitter leaf soup. You can also use it to pound your potatoes. You can also use it to pound your potatoes and beans for your pompili. You can use it to pound different food for your children to eat, and it pounds them. It makes them to be very soft. It pounds them soft and very soft. You can use it also to chop your tomatoes. You can use it to chop your spices and your vegetable. It is very good. Promotion price from now till next week to the 18th of August is 10,000 francs. 10,000 francs. But you're going to pay your delivery 10,000 francs with 2 months guarantee, and you get this wonderful product to serve your husband a very good meal so that you don't stress and you don't waste any time. Get it now only at Juicy Enterprise. 10,000 francs only. Le good de ça.